Subtraction of fractions. Subtraction of like fractions. To subtract two or more like fractions, subtract the numerators in the given order and put the difference over the same denominator. Subtract 2 by 7 from 2 4 by 7. 2 4 by 7 minus 2 by 7. Convert 2 4 by 7 into improper. 2 4 by 7 is equal to 18 by 7. 2 4 by 7 minus 2 by 7 is equal to 18 by 7 minus 2 by 7 is equal to 18 minus 2 by 7 is equal to 16 by 7. Subtraction of unlike fractions. Unlike fractions can also be subtracted. You have to remember to change them to like fractions. That is, make the denominator same before subtracting. Subtract 8 by 12 minus 2 by 6. Let's subtract. Step 1. Here, the two denominators are different. So, we first find the LCM of 12 and 6 by using division method. Find the LCM of 6 and 12. 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 into 6 is 12. Now 3 into 1 is 3 and 3 into 2 is 6. So 2 into 3 into 1 into 2 is equal to 12. Step 2. Now convert both the fractions to like fractions with the LCM as the denominator. 8 by 12 into 1 by 1 is equal to 8 by 12. 2 by 6 into 2 by 2 is equal to 4 by 12. Step 3. Subtract 8 by 12 minus 4 by 12. 8 by 12 minus 2 by 6 is equal to 8 by 12 minus 4 by 12 is equal to 8 minus 4 by 12 is equal to 4 by 12. Subtraction of mixed fractions. While subtracting two or more mixed fractions, the whole numbers can be subtracted separately and the fractions can be subtracted separately. Then, the two answers can be subtracted together to get the final answer. What if the fraction of the first number is smaller than that of the second number? Let us see what to do in such case. 4 1 by 2 minus 1 1 by 4. Change the mixed fractions to improper fractions and then find the LCM of the denominators and changing them to like fractions. Look at this. 4 1 by 2 minus 1 1 by 4. 4 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2. 1 1 by 4 is equal to 4 into 1 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4. LCM of 2 and 4 is equal to 4. Hence, 9 by 2 into 2 by 2 is equal to 18 by 4. 5 by 4 into 1 by 1 is equal to 5 by 4. 18 by 4 minus 5 by 4 is equal to 18 minus 5 by 4 is equal to 13 by 4. final answer is an improper fraction, change it to mixed number by dividing the numerator by the denominator to find the number of wholes and parts in the improper fraction. 13 by 4 is equal to 3 1 by 4. Here, quotient is 3, which is the whole number, and 1 is the remainder, which is the numerator. Hence, 3 1 by 4 is the final answer. Let us recall. To subtract two or more like fractions, subtract the numerators in the given order and put the difference over the same denominator. Unlike fractions can also be subtracted. You have to remember to change them to like fractions. That is, make the denominator same before subtracting. While subtracting two or more mixed fractions, the whole numbers can be subtracted separately and the fractions can be subtracted separately. Then, the two answers can be put together to get the final answer.